Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to increase Coinbase limit. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to increase your limits on Coinbase, you'll first need a Coinbase account. Of course, if you don't have an account yet, you can simply check the description box below and click on the referral link so that you can create a new account. This will be beneficial to the growth of our channel without costing you anything, so make sure to click on that referral link if you don't have an account yet. Now once you have an account, simply tap open your Coinbase application from the app drawer. Make sure that you are logged in. Once you are, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. Now tap Profile and Settings. Right under Account tab you should see an option that says Limits and Features. Give it a tap and you'll end up in this page. Remember that your Coinbase account has poachers and deposit limits, many factors including verification, influence and boundaries. So in order to apply to increase your account limits, and if you're eligible for that, you might need to complete verification steps to access your new account limits. For example, you need to verify your photo ID, your payment methods, personal details, and your account information. Once we verify all of those identifications, you'll be able to see a button that says Increase Limits on this page. Simply tap on Increase Limits and tap on Apply Now on the next page, and you'll be able to increase Coinbase limits using your Coinbase app on your mobile device. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.